But Doaku Elai Belibo, they didn't scream to me in their hearts. When they were lying on their beds, sick and tired and worn out, they were yammering on their beds. They didn't scream to me. They didn't find their way back to me. Al Dogan Vesira Siskaro, you still will be. That means all they're interested is now to get their Dogan and their Siros. That means their grain and their wine. They assemble. Yiskaro means they assemble together for the purpose of Dogan and Siros. But Yisur means they rebel against them. When they come together, it says the country is economic slump. We have no Dogan, we have no Siros, nothing grows anymore. Now, this is a chance to do Teshuvah, because it's going to tomorrow, take tomorrow. Saturday, God will be, do Teshuvah. No, they have to get together. Where can we buy it, and how can we manage, manipulate? We have no Dogan, we have no Tiras. They used to rule. They're gathering together and discussing where to get Dogan with Tiras. Yosur will be, they become so harim, they're rebelling against me.